Hi friends, today I am going to give you class 10th English 1.6 lesson The Alchemy of Nature. Question answers of warming up. So let's start the warming up question answers solving. This is our question number 1. Rearrange the good qualities in each set so that the first letter of each of the words should make a meaningful word, join the sides and get message. So first set 1, understanding, adaptable, tolerant, neat, encouraging, resourceful. These are words given and we have to choose each word first letter. So we take N A T U R E. The word is going to be from nature. The word is nature. And second set 2 is selfless and inspiring. So first take inspiring I and selfless S. So the word is is. So we see the third set number 3, youthful and modest. Youthful and modest. Modest M take first, then youthful you. The word is forming new my. Now set 4, affectionate, compassionate, empathetic, earnest, honest, reliable, trustworthy. Take first letter of each. First take T, trustworthy T, empathetic E, T E. Now take affectionate A, T E A, compassionate C, T E A C, and honest H, and earnest E, and our word is teacher. And the message is nature is my teacher. This message gives from these sets. There are set 4 that we have solved now. That sets message gives us the message is nature is my teacher. Now next question. Question number 2. Various aspects of nature have special features that make them differ from one another. For example, birds, appearance, shape, color, size, food habitats, sound, etc. Write such a special features of each of the following. Now let's see the first is land. Land is coastal land, hardness, mixed with soil. Water, color, fixed volume, distance in latitudes. These are the appearance of land and water. Now next is trees. So trees, appearance is leaves, stem, root, fruit. Next, animals. Animals appearance, shape, size, color. Insects appearance, sound, habitat, number of legs. Now see the layer next is third question. Make a list of living creatures in the alphabetical order. You can write more than one beginning with the same letter. So let's see. First is A. A letter from anaconda, B from butterfly, C for cat, and D for dog. E for elephant, F for frog, and G for goat, H for horse. I for iguana, J for jellyfish, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nightwalk, O for ostrich, P for penguin. Q for quill, it is bird, R for roast, S for sheep, and T for tiger. U for Uganda cope, and V for Y for fish, W for whale, and X for exine. Y for egg, Z for zebra. Now English, this lesson workshop we discuss in next video.